I'm Carlos Salcido. I'm principal of Randall Elementary School in Milpitas, and we had Milpitas Cares come to our school today, and they helped with various projects that wouldn't get done otherwise. So a lot of cleanup and setting up our garden, having some painting, small projects done so that our students know which doors to go in, out of, things like that. So it's a great sense of community when we all come together to serve the students in our nice little town.
Good morning, I'm Raquel Kusnoki, principal at Weller Elementary School. And here we have...
Hi, I'm Claudia. I'm a parent here at Weller. I'm a 5th grader and I'm here to help clean up today.
I'm Beverly McCarter. I'm a 5th and 6th grade math teacher here.
I'm Eddie Rosales. I'm a parent of a 2nd grader.
I'm Leo Rose, and I'm a parent of 2nd, 3rd, and 5th grader.
I'm Davey Cow, and I'm a Young Life Leader from Milpitas High School.
I'm Elijah, and I'm also a Young Life Leader from Milpitas High School.
I'm Parvinder Joel, and I'm the assistant principal here at Weller.
I'm Juhi Sharma. I'm a math teacher, 5th, 6th grade here at Weller.
This morning we came together to put our efforts toward helping to clean up the school, beautify the school. So my gratitude to all of you for coming out. Thank you so much.
From Milpitas Food Pantry. Thank you guys so much at Christ Community for all of your wonderful help. Look at our beautiful new racks, all beautifully displayed. We've got our beautiful produce and things like that. So thank you guys for all the work that you guys did for the Milpitas Cares Day.
I'd like to thank all of the volunteers for supporting the students and the staff here at Thomas Russell and furthermore in the Milpitas Unified School District.
Hi, I am Danny Lau, board member of Milpitas Unified. I want to say a big thank you to Mark and all the other pastors to really put this Milpitas Care days together. It's been wonderful. We walked around and we saw hundreds of volunteers that have the passion and the caring to come and help our school. We visited several schools today, looking at all the work, what they have done, and I want to say thank you, a big thank you from the bottom of my heart to everyone that helped out, that supported our school, and really become part of the community. It really showed the true spirit of what Milpitas Cares is all about. So again, thank you.